All right, so here's a quick video for you today. Get this question a lot. How do I connect, or how do I grant you access to my um, Namecheap account? This is very simple. First, of course, you log in, and then you find the domain that you want to work with. So let's say, for example, I want to manage this one here. Then you go to sharing and transfer, and you will then share access to. So then you go to, now that you're in sharing and transfer, you will then enter the person's Namecheap username or email address, right? So let's just say add, and then you will then select uh, what level you want to um, grant them. So manage full access, or give the manager some permission. So let's see what that entails. And here you can see you would then give them some permissions, right? So I normally, for a developer, I give them I select this give managers some permissions, and what that would allow them to do is manage the DNS, as you can see. So I'd say maybe advanced DNS, um, and maybe if you want to allow them to do some of this other stuff, right? Now, you don't want to just give anybody, some random people, uh, sharing and transfer. Okay, you just don't want to do that. So yeah, that's it. Very simple. Once you've done that, you've selected that, you go ahead and enter your Namecheap password, confirm, and then that individual will receive an email letting them know that you've granted them access.